As technology continues to advance, many people are wondering if machines like Chat GPT will take away their jobs. Chat GPT is a cutting edge language model that has the ability to write and communicate with humans, but will it ultimately replace human workers? Let's take a closer look. Welcome to our video on whether ChatGPT will take away jobs. In the next few minutes, we will explore the potential impact of this technology on the job market and on society as a whole. First, let's consider the current state of employment. With the rise of automation, many people are already worried about their jobs being replaced by machines. In some industries, this fear is already becoming a reality, with robots and other automated systems taking over tasks that were once performed by humans. So, could ChatGPT be the next technology to take jobs away from humans? Well, the truth is, ChatGPT is designed to assist humans in their work, not replace them. While it's true that ChatGPT can write articles and even generate code, it still requires human oversight and input to ensure quality and accuracy. In fact, many experts believe that ChatGPT will actually create new job opportunities, especially in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. As the demand for these skills continues to grow, there will be more job openings for people who have the knowledge and expertise to work with ChatGPT and other similar technologies. So while ChatGPT may change the way we work and communicate, it's unlikely to take away job on a large scale. Instead, it's more likely to create new opportunities for people who are willing to adapt to the changing technological landscape. Of course, it's important to acknowledge that some jobs may be more at risk than others. For example, jobs that involve repetitive or routine tasks may be more vulnerable to automation than jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, or human interaction. Jobs that involve human interaction, such as customer service or healthcare, are also less likely to be replaced by machines as they require empathy, emotional intelligence, and social skills that are difficult to replicate in a machine. In fact, ChatGPT can actually be a valuable tool for workers in creative or knowledge intensive fields, as it can help them generate new ideas, research topics, and expand their knowledge base. So while ChatGPT may change the job market and the way we work, it's important to remember that it's ultimately up to us to adapt to these changes and use technology to our advantage. By embracing new technologies like ChatGPT and learning new skills, we can stay ahead of the curve and create a brighter future for ourselves and for the society as a whole. Thanks for watching our video on whether ChatGPT will take away jobs. We hope you found it informative and thought provoking. Don't forget to like and share this video and be sure to subscribe for more content on the latest technology and trends.